We know how important the safety of your children is, especially when they are heading back to school. Ensuring your vehicle is in top condition is essential. At Placentia Super Service, we're here to help you with that. As the friendlier and more helpful auto and fleet repair shop in Orange County, we understand your needs. We're not just about fixing cars, but about ensuring your peace of mind when you hit the road. Whether you own a domestic or European vehicle, we've got you covered. Our team of experts is well-versed in a variety of auto repairs, making us your one-stop shop for all your vehicle needs. So as the school bells start ringing, don't forget to schedule a vehicle inspection with us. Let Placentia Super Service handle the nuts and bolts so you can focus on what's truly important, your kids' education. Remember, in the hustle and bustle of back-to-school preparations, your vehicle's health is crucial. Trust us to keep your car running smoothly and safely all school year long.